Tennis ball machine, TSR8, TSR6. Manual. After downloading the app, let's start by pairing via Bluetooth. Open the Bluetooth settings on your phone. Check for available devices and find our machine, TenniSmash 08. Then proceed with the pairing. Enter the password 1234. Click OK and the pairing will be successful. Then open the TenniSmash app. Click the Bluetooth icon in the top right corner. Then click on the device we just paired. When the upper left corner shows Connect to TenniSmash 08, it means the connection is successful. At this point, you can click the switch to turn on the machine. Start. The 08 model machine mainly features manual mode and program mode. The program includes 5 major ball dispensing modes. When we first bring the machine to the court, it's recommended to use the fixed point mode. Perform ball landing point calibration, then adjust the machine's position based on the serving location. We can first let the ball drop to the midpoint of the baseline and adjust the speed to around 6. After serving, check if the landing point is accurate. Check if all 6 landing points are relatively accurate. If there are no problems, you can start practicing. Let's start by introducing our depth mode. There are 3 patterns: depth of left, center and right. Center, right. Depth modes typically refer to forehand, backhand and forward, backward movements. There is also the line mode, with 8 types of lines, including forehand, backhand and drills with 2 or 3 lines. This can be adjusted based on individual training needs. Cross mode involves alternating between deep and shallow balls with forehand and backhand. It allows for comprehensive practice of forward, backward and lateral movements with 6 different line patterns. Cross 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Random mode means that the 6 landing points are randomly selected for ball delivery, simulating real game scenarios. The most powerful feature is the custom mode, where all the previous functions can be implemented according to your preferences. For example, clicking 1 and 4 corresponds to a left line loop, while clicking 2 and 5 corresponds to a middle line loop. Click Custom. You can also design 3 types of depth variations for the ball, creating different combinations. Clicking 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, and 6 will trigger these variations. Such combinations can also be used to train footwork in all directions: forward, backward, and sideways. There are up to 20 ways of ordering the depth cycles of the 6 drops. Now, let's demonstrate a commonly used training combination: a forehand, a backhand, a transition, a forehand volley and a backhand volley, which is set as 6, 5, 6, 3, 2. It always follows a cycle of 5 balls, and you can repeat this set of shots for continuous practice. This type of practice is more effective for real game situations and is more enjoyable compared to practicing single target shots in isolation. Click Manual to enter manual mode. The manual mode, which actually encompasses all the functions of our TS06, up or down swing, which is where the deep and shallow balls will land randomly. Then there's the left or right swing, which is where the ball will drop with the horizontal line. The up or down adjust is mainly used to adjust the angle. For example, if you want to hit a high-pressure ball, you can set the angle to the maximum. However, if you want to hit a high-pressure ball, it's best to place the machine 3.5 or 4 meters behind the baseline for the best effect. Then, if you want to practice a volley, you can set the angle to the minimum. Left or right adjust refers to adjusting the horizontal angle of the ball. Each press is a fine adjustment, allowing you to modify it according to your needs. Click on Program to change to program mode. Now let's look at the following functions: topspin and backspin. Normally, when we hit flat shots, the topspin and backspin are the same degree. For example, by increasing the speed to around 6, it's a comfortable speed for amateur players. By placing the tennis ball machine further forward, setting the speed to 1 and manually adjusting the angle to a higher setting, this setup is more suitable for children or beginners. Next is the frequency, which refers to the feeding rate and it has 11 different levels. Setting the frequency to the maximum means will feed a ball every 2 seconds, which is suitable for professional players. For most amateur players, setting it to the middle position is usually ideal. By increasing the topspin and making it greater than the backspin, the machine will then feed topspin balls. Similarly, by increasing the backspin and making it greater than the topspin, the machine will then feed backspin balls. In use, you can gradually adjust to the spin level that suits you best. Off. After hitting the ball, click Close. Our machine also has a feature that checks how many balls you've hit.